come up with the conclusions that TT's here. Me not have to tell no lie, but me just no want no problem start. Right? The thing is this, I'm a plain person. I feel like say me too plain. That's why I say me no want nobody tell me them business coming in ask you. I woke up like me there asleep in my bed. And wake up the next morning and realize the TT in the here. You understand me? And no matter how me talk to my son, him not listen to me. Right? So, right about now, I just pack up my daughter and I just cut and go and build my house. Yeah. I cut. I no business. I go leave. I give them a house but I go and fix the house in the meanwhile. But I go leave. So I can have someone I can go and work and do my food and so. But I take my little baby daughter. I don't really want to up in so much of this. So I turn in a TT, when I turn in a Chanel, I turn this so. No, I want to focus, I have things to do. I have my place at bill, I have a lot of little things to do. You get what I try to say, right? So at the end of the day, and next, I go tell them straight up, say, don't care nobody come at the place, because the place is ready for visitor, right? You still a care them come. You understand what I say? All me attack when I do, I get older. I can't lick them the tough skin raw spit there. You lick them, your hand bounce off and then mash up your hand. So what I go do? Eh? And then still I go care visitor come a yard and them something there when I tell them say, the place is not ready yet for any visitor. You understand? But them not understand because whole heap of people want meet them, whole heap of people want come around them also. Right? But therefore, them not understand, say, mommy, I try to do something to make sure say, no good. So go and work with mommy and give mommy a break. And anybody who not meet, you go meet them out the road and chill out with your friend them. And you get what me I try to say, and next you come home back, make mommy get his space to do what she have to do. Nobody not listen to me. So what I say? Me I go just deal with myself. Who feel like them big, then go and act like them big and them understand how big things go. You understand what I said? Them are going to understand how big things go. But what I'm doing, I'm telling you this as my people who are on social media, no matter what cuss or no matter what go down. I feel like this is my little break where I go take my daughter, my little baby daughter with me. I'm not going to really say how much, but I'm definitely going to just leave a little bit. Go and continue work on the place and do what I do because, yeah. I have a lot of things to deal with. I don't want to deal with this. I don't want nobody to come tell me about no. Me always make sure say everybody good. If me send it con gear or whatever, but me go always be out there keeping active, doing something to make sure say me can earn and for build myself. But me left man. I leave. Me not go there. Me not go there. Cause very soon you can see Chanel will pop up with 2 bags. You can see Chanel pack up with 2 big old bags come. Yeah. I say, right? We don't know when they go back up in one another. And that's not my job. I'm not supposed to have no security job or watch nobody. Listen. Guys, may I beg on some taps chat. Guys, everybody are coming for the chat, guys. Chat, guys. We can get a power tap, please. We need a power tap chat. We only got the 60 odd K likes. We only got the 60 odd K likes. So we dip on the platform and nobody not share the platform, nobody not tap on the screen. Everything just low. At least when you come in and tap on the screen like this. You understand me? That keep up the live so you can go to the For You page. Because the live is active. Right? Thank you, guys. Guys, may I beg you to come together and double tap a screen. Share the live chat. Share the live. Black that person a moderator we kissed it. I know we get rid of them people. Eh? Screen. But okay, shut them. Me go over pepper now. Everybody go attack me. Now go over pepper. Now go over there. Hey boo, what's up?
One Annie, you know.
Uh-uh.
But then, you know, so me nah come with no nothing to make you feel sad today, nah, you know. Me just a come to see you and him up his damn self.
Thank you,
Go for
baby.
self.
Thank you.
You know, I say, me always a come with the old professional thing and
Yeah,
Annie,
don't come
whatever.
over
You already,
pepper.
yeah, man, you already know the drift already, and we don't come
I
to
know.
stay long. We don't come to say, yo, Annie, just go and big up yourself. And Annie, me said something earlier, and it's a good thing what you do. More you go, enjoy yourself, not tell nobody where you go, not tell nobody your location. If you want to take your daughter with you, or if you want to even go by yourself, go and go do your thing, Annie. You
Thank
see,
you.
peace of mind as well. You see, peace of mind as well. I always emphasize, man, is the biggest thing that you will ever do. You see, when you have a good peace of mind, it deteriorates your health. It allow you to start feel grumpy, start feel mad, and then you start let out upon other people.
Yeah.
You see, social media, you see, half of them are people upon social media. It's half of them don't like you, and you have a few who is a supporter.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, whenever you leave, and me hear Anna say something earlier, you have your family. Your family is the most important thing. One of the next thing, because me watch a life for a man, you know. Like you don't know. One of the things that me here spoke about
No,
earlier.
don't block that girl there. Sorry, no. Don't do that. Do not do that. Right? It is a platform where a person can voice them own.
Can voice exactly.
Come on. And she said, I don't think she said nothing wrong, you know. It's, oh, you read it, you know. She has said, leave the young people, the people company to as well. Right? I don't think...
No, man, I facts that. You just have to do voice your opinion. And I mean, it is what it is.
I got that person now, please.
One of the thing when me hear you talk about this morning about your friend, me don't ever deal whatever I want him, Dino, whatever.
Dino.
You see if somebody cannot defend your name when you're not in the room, they're not your friend. You must can defend me when I'm not in the room. And right now, with nowadays friendship, it come like sometimes you have to question whether or not loyalty is real or not.
Yes.
So it come back again even to the previous thing what the girls say. Sometimes you have to leave and let go these young people company because trust me, you see some of them are the same drunk, including me too, you know, because me not go exclude nobody. Some of we are drunk. You understand what I say? You see, friend, you see, if me say me and you are friend, and if me can defend your name when you are not in the room, then that means I'm simple not me against you just like everybody else. And you say with this social media thing, is because everybody wanting 12 minutes of fame or then 10 minutes of fame, then go drag your name to the mud. Because guess as why you rightfully said earlier, you know, the youth knows they are prank, but yet still he insists for dep on the live and make the girl them drag you and could not come out and say, boy, you know, so me and Annie talk about this and I went prank and whatever.
Yeah.
Because everybody want it. You see, because everybody knows, say, all right, once they mention Annie name, then get a little likes, then get a little follow, then get a little fame.
Yes.
They know that is what they want. Everybody want a few minutes of fame and then that's it. But guess what? The few minutes of fame, it only lasts for a matter of time. You're not going to stay there for long. So you don't really watch that, and you don't really watch a little few minutes of fame. Everyone now we get, all we know, people always say, everybody have the same 24 hours. But what we do with that 24 hours.
24 hours, that's true.
Me here, and then guess what? As me say, me for your life how long, and I want to be honest. You ask one question, what issue people have with you? My issue, and again, me know you block me because of this, because I'm just giving my honest opinion. You understand what I say?
You don't black people just by kissing them teeth, so
No man, me I talk about me now. You see my honest opinion with you. You keep on to make people they bring you back to the same spot that you keep digging yourself out of. Simple means that every time you realize that you're in an unhappy situation, you keep finding yourself back in that same situation. You need to know, assess your situation and draw yourself from it completely. If it simple means that some of them friends where they're running too fake, you pull yourself from that completely. You understand what I say? You have to choose it, honey. And you see at the end of the day, if you don't choose you, there nobody will choose you for yourself. You have to make people have boundaries. You need to make them set boundaries. You need to allow people to distance. Okay, all right. This is what I give up on the social media. This is what I do in my personal life. So whatever I do in my personal life does not concern how I want to be a comedian on the social media. You understand what I mean? I say when people they drag you if say, oh yeah, they sell your data for 500, that's where the boundaries are crossed.
Yeah.
And you now have to draw yourself and know how to part yourself from that. You
Yeah.
understand what I mean? I say because